Okay, now, am I live? Am I live? Am I live? I have no idea. I'm leaking my YouTube stuff. I probably shouldn't be leaking this. Why am I getting a random Russian video? Getting a random Russian video. Yeah, here you guys go, here you guys go. Okay, now, am I live? Am I live? Am I live? Goodbye. I made a game, and I called it a very long name. It was on the page for the what's it called, the starting soon page, yeah. It's called Cube Adventures: The Flight, and I'm just gonna stream it for just a little bit. Maybe get a little bit of records done. Maybe get some speed runs. Maybe work on it a little bit. We're gonna have to see. Shut it, PC. I don't want to hear it. We're gonna honestly have to see. But let me refresh the tab real quick. The game is literally just a flying game. It's a platformer 2D made in P5 Play. I had to buy a full-on domain. These things are expensive. It's like 20 bucks a year. It's like 20 bucks a year. And yeah, I just wanted to stream it for a little bit. For every sub that we get, I'll work on the game for maybe 5 minutes, maybe more, depending on how many subs we get. So let's see what we get. So I'm just gonna play it a little bit. The game does have save slots. It does have a not bad menu UI. Like I can change the frame rate. Up here you can see what it is. And then you can change the frame rate again. You can do a lot of things with this. It's honestly pretty cool. I worked on this forever. I'm gonna go with 144 or 120 FPS, I think is best. I'm just gonna start playing now. I'm just gonna stream for a little bit. Once in a while, I'll check how many subs we got. Maybe gonna do a little bit of development on it. Maybe leak some stuff. We'll have to see. I'm just gonna start playing level 1. So trash. So trash. So trash. So trash. This game is mostly built for speedrunners. It has like a full-on timer and stuff. And if you're not a speedrunner, you might not enjoy the actual game itself. So I would mostly recommend this to only speedrunners or people who are addicted to mechanics. But others might not enjoy the game, so I wouldn't recommend it mostly. Oh, let's go, sub 10. I don't actually remember what my best save is. The only thing that I can do to actually check it is in here. I'm going to go to console. It is completely open source. So all the sources aren't encrypted here. So everything in here, you can actually see the JavaScript and how the game runs. You can actually see the entire thing for anybody who would want to see it. I hope I didn't leak anything. I'm actually just going to go local storage. Local storage. Let's see what my best was before this. It still thinks my best is 10, so yeah, definitely, yeah. The game is actually called UFG. That was a in-dev name, which is called it was just like untitled flying game and stuff. But I gave it a title. So yeah. I have a full website up. Not a speedrunning thing yet. I'm gonna get a speedrunning domain. If you click back to main page here, yeah, of course it had to block the main site now. It had to block it again. It decided to block the site again. It blocked it again. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna fix that later. It blocked the main page. And I'll just show you my VS Code. I'll just show you guys how the main page looks. I'm just going to show you guys homepage. Open this up. I do not know if it leaks your IP. Does live server in VS Code leak your IP? File plus preferences. Okay, good. It does not use your local IP because I do not want that leaked. Let's pray that it's not gonna leak it. Okay, good, it didn't leak it. I don't know what this 500 is, but this is the actual site. This is what you would usually get if you visit cubedventures.com. I do not know what happened. It's like all over the place. It's like everything's all over the place today. I have no idea. But that's what it's supposed to redirect you to. I have no idea why it does that though. It's annoying. Very annoying. But I'm gonna keep speedrunning. Now the game, demo at least, only has 4 levels so far. I'm planning to push a 5th level and some collectibles into the demo soon. But that's gonna be after the trailer, so we're gonna have to see what happens. I'm just gonna play every single level that there is right now one time, and then I'm gonna do some speedrunning. And maybe I'll also like how the code works a little bit. Maybe give a small documentation on some of the things that the game uses or something. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Oh. Ooh, this is really good. I love how Bluetooth's just trying to rage bait me today. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate my own game now. What? I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. My speedrunner brain is just like, go, 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 you need the world record. Okay, yeah, my Bluetooth's rage baiting me. Bluetooth's rage baiting. Not even close to the best that I've ever gotten. Let's see what I can get on this level. Going to crash out. Oh, that was a crazy good start. This game is the most addicting. This game is the most addicting but speedrunner brain thing I've ever made. This is the most addicting thing I've ever made. This is super addicting. So for anyone who has any addictions or gets addicted easily, yeah. If you want to not get addicted, just don't get addicted. Speedrunners are the main category to get addicted to. Like me, I'm a speedrunner. I actually don't have the world record for my friend group on this level. Oh, that was a perfect turn right there. I might, no. My friend's best is like 14.64, I think. I got very close. Oh no, it's like 14.32 or something. They're like very close. I have no idea. But the game is honestly cool. It's mostly built for speedrunners. It does actually have controller support. Let me show you guys real quick. I have my controller here. That's some noise. I'll look at what I can do. Alright, let me control it. Or let me connect it. What I can do. Because the engine that I used actually does support a controller. So you can use the D-pad. Left and right. The D-pad for left and right movement. And A is to go up. Or you can use the joystick, of course. I don't remember what it's called off the top of my head, though. And then this, the 3 lines on an Xbox controller, just make it go back. I haven't coded a restart thing. The restart is actually, the restart is R on PC. The restart is R on PC. I'm just gonna look at what we have in here. Damn, it's already been 15 minutes. Let me open up the chat panel real quick. Certainly nobody's watching. Let's see, nope. It's still trying to kill me. Views 1. Average view time 7.51. Yay. I'm actually playing the game, right? Yeah, I'm actually playing it. I'm actually playing it. Good, because I thought like the stream's like nope. Sometimes it is nope. The game also does have save slots, and you only unlock levels after a while. So you have to beat the past level. It goes this portal, then the portal to the very right, like over here. This portal, then the portal to the very, very, very left. Like this one, I think. And then finally the portal right over here. It's right over here. This one. Honestly, I don't have a favorite when it comes to speedrunning. I do have a not favorite. My most hated level that I really hate, hate speedrunning is probably the first level. It has no tech, no kill obstacles. It's just a you have to stick to the wall and you'll live type of thing. Honestly, I have no idea really right now what to do with this game much. The game, it's good. It's good though. It's good. It's only speedrunners. I'm gonna keep playing and maybe I'm gonna take like a break. Yeah, my break will be to leak Bluetooth IP address because I needed to shut up. And I also need to stop rage quitting over a freaking game. Okay, I'm just gonna link the source code for fun in a second. First off, how do you get to the source code? Boom. Inspect. Inspect. Look at what I'm gonna do now. Sources. Let's do inside of the sketch. I'm just gonna change something. I'm gonna show you guys how some hacks. Move multi equals 10. Yeah, that just completely breaks the game. This is something you do not ever want to do. It will completely destroy the game. Move multi equals 2. But this completely destroys the game. This will completely destroy the game. Move multi can completely destroy it. It has the ability of doing that. Move multi equals 2. Look at how fast I can go now. Oh man. I don't remember if I left this in. Is this in? Oh yeah, I left it in accidentally. No! I removed the objects for it though, so it throws an error. Oh, and the browser is crazy strict now. Ah, wait, what did I just do? Did I just alt? I just alt tab with the controller. I'm learning, and why are there 2 windows? Okay, well, I'll have to refresh the page because it threw. This game only good on PC. That's one thing that I can say. I don't know why it has a p5play.org thing. What's this? Oh, look at the coloring on this. You know, let me do some things. Canvas with. I'm going to do illegal things. I don't remember if that's gonna work. No, because it doesn't use the style sheet. Oh, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? What have I? That's not good. I should have not done that. I should have not done that. I definitely shouldn't have done that. Equals 200 px. Oh yeah, because it throws, because that'll throw. You can't do px in JavaScript, it's a string. That's not good. Look what I've done. I've done unspeakable things to the canvas now. Oh wait, let me actually show some cool things as well. I don't remember if I left this in. No! I removed it from the HTML. No, I removed it from the HTML. Oh wait, I just leaked something. It's not good. Just realized I leaked it. And who cares? Index.html, main body. Yeah, it's not nice. It's not very nice. Let's see how many subs we got. 0. Okay, I'll leak it by myself then. I use the P5JS editor, but as you guys saw here, I do have VS Code open. Oh, yeah, that's why. Because I'm not logged in. I know my password's simple. My Google password is definitely not. So, this is the actual web editor. This is the web editor. But I have everything on here. So look at what I can do. I'll leak. Actually, I probably shouldn't leak what that is. I think it's this that I wanted to show. Or actually, I'll just go special level. Oh, look at how trash this is. Because this was built for 60 FPS. This was built for 60 FPS, I think. Or no, it was built for like less, like 20 actually. Look, I'm stuck now. Isn't that really funny? Let me maybe actually show what the expansion package does, or... Actually, let me think for a second what I should leak. I'm getting cold, I'm getting cold, I'm getting cold while I'm streaming. I'm getting cold while I'm streaming. Let's go, I'm getting cold while I'm streaming. It happens to everyone. I'm getting cold while I'm streaming. Oh my, I hate Apple Watches. I hate Apple Watches so badly. I hate them, I hate them. I'm streaming. Okay, there we go. I messaged my dad. Oh. I'm gonna probably stream for like 10 more minutes. How long have I been live for? Let me actually show what this whole thing maybe does, or I'm gonna keep finishing that. I'm gonna keep finishing this, what I wanted to do. plr.x minus 200, plr.y. Look at this. Look at this. Let me spawn a couple of these. Let me keep spawning them. Let me keep spawning them. So they make you smaller until you're about this small. And if I want to go create grow, this will spawn a grow potion, as I call it. So it makes you grow. until you become kind of big. This is like 3 of them stacked on top of each other. I don't think I can get any more here. I probably should stop spamming. That would be a nice decision. That's weird. There was a bug one time where when I spawned something in the hub, which is what I call this thing, it would kind of like glitch out a little bit. And when I reloaded it, it would be there. That's funny. What else could I leak? I could leak more, but I'm lazy. Let me actually show the build mode UI though. UI.show. This will show something. I'm gonna write a documentation for this. I'm gonna maybe write a documentation for this and look at this UI. The console casually gets spammed because there's so many elements that are completely invalid in here. So the console straight up gets spammed. Look at this. So when I click this, my console eventually gets spammed. So I do need to add console clearing in this though. That would be good. I don't remember any more cheat codes that you can maybe do. I do know this one. But this one's just a P5 play thing. All sprites.debug equals true. This literally just toggles hitboxes for everything that does have a hitbox. But I don't know if it's permanent or not. It does keep the images, but anything that doesn't have an image, still there. I might add this as a performance toggle. It would be a cool performance toggle, maybe. Or a cool thing for an any percent speedrun. I'm actually playing on controller right now, and it feels very, very smooth, to say the least. Yeah. I don't think we're getting any subs today, though. Yeah, who cares? That's a checkpoint, that little circle. This little circle is a checkpoint, and what it does, I die, I respawn. I die, I respawn. And don't worry, there's barriers outside of every single level. There's also, in some levels, these little passages. This is where I'm going to add the small collectibles. So there's going to be a collectible here. Let me show some other ones. And the green one, other not very hidden passage. And there's also one right here that I'm planning to add. Blue 2 has a fake passage. It actually has a couple of them. There's this one here, but anybody with the brain would remember it. And there's this one down here, which I completely forgot existed until I started talking about this. So, yeah, if you go over here, there's also this one here. This would be a good place for a collectible because it's very open and it requires the player to take a little detour. But it's not like right here where it's just like free. Just go down, you spend 2 seconds. Let's see how long it would take. Yeah, like 5 seconds. I spent exactly 5 seconds and I just did a frame perfect alignment as well. Let's go. But I spent like 5 seconds on it, so yeah. Honestly, it's a cool game. I might work on it a little bit on stream right now. We'll have to see real quick. Or no, you know, I'm gonna port this frame rate counter because as you guys saw, it's not in the P5JS version. I just leaked the ID, but it's private, so who cares? You guys aren't gonna do much with that. It's here. Usually, to get a frame rate pop-up, I would have to go, I think, frame rate or something. Oh no, that's wrong function. UFG functions. Timer FPS pop-up. Yeah, FPS pop-up. and this would show the FPS. And if I change the frame rate here, I would go and I would get, like, let's say I put it to 60. It would have the same purpose. But I literally just moved it up here because why not? I'm gonna port it in front of you all. So I go here. I go boom. Comment that out real quick just in case I need it again. I go into the HTML. I have to find wherever the thing is. Yeah, it's in the UFG backup thing. Index.html. There's a thing here. I think it's called frame rate. Yeah, it's frame rate text. It's this one. I smack this into the HTML. It's like somewhere in here. I don't remember where it is. I'll just put it in here. Actually, I'll be back in like 5 minutes. Be back in exactly 5 minutes. And that falling through bug, it's kind of when you tab out. I don't know why it happens. I can't fix it. It's a P5 Play thing. I'll be right back. I'm back. So I'm gonna keep working on it. It's inside the main body tag. Where is the main body tag? It's inside the main body. What am I doing to myself? I have no idea what I'm doing here. I have no idea what I'm doing. It's up here. So sketch, and then there's the back to site button. This isn't here, so who cares about it? Now I just do the style sheet properties for it, which is in here. Where's the style sheet? Where is the style sheet? Here it is. Frame rate check, position absolute, and this just places it wherever I want it on the screen, like in pixels and visual height units, or in visual width units, which is the width of this. So let's say I get 90 VH. 90 VH would be about right here. Actually, this is the height. It's about right over here maybe, because this is 90%. So I'm pretty sure it starts from here. So 90 VH would be right here. But the style sheet says VW, so I'm just gonna copy this. I put this inside of the style sheet. And I refresh, there should be a frame rate text. But it always says that. I have no idea why it's like this now. But on the main site, it is not like that. On the main site, it's literally just fixed. And completely fixed, by the way. Well, I'm too lazy to fix it, so so much for that. I go into the sketch. Where's the frame rate toggle? Is it like JavaScript? or something. Oh yeah, UI.setText. There it is. Wait, what? I just realized a bug with this thing. Wait. It's right here. Meaning that it would only be in the if there's a player category. So I'm actually gonna grab that. If it's not paused, first thing it's gonna do is change the text. And then over here it'll do the same thing inside of the sketch. So if it's not paused, the return just literally ends the function. So I'll just do this. Okay, so now it has the exact same behavior. The game isn't really meant for mobile support right now, which is the exact reason this is happening. This is the exact reason. But when I add mobile support, of course I'll fix it. And we'll have to see what happens. But if I go into full screen here, now it'll track my FPS. Yeah! I don't know why I'm like this. Don't ask me why I'm like this. I'm gonna go real quick, think for a second. I'm gonna change frame rate. And if I set it to 20, there's a reason 20 is specifically blacklisted. You do not want to know what happens with 20. Like, look at this clipping. Look at this clipping. This clipping is absurd. And of course this would provide a very unfair advantage. And if you actually want to set it yourself, like in-game, if you want to change the FPS to something, you just go frame rate, and then you just set it to a number. Frame rate 1 is gonna kill. It's going to kill the game. Look at this. This becomes completely unplayable. This is unplayable. And if I go frame rate 10, I mean, it's kind of playable. It's not suicide anymore. But it's still very much unplayable. Look at this. This looks like a retro game or something. This looks like, I don't know, something. And look at the clipping as well. Look at this. I can literally go straight through the walls. There's a reason the FPS is at least 60. If it ever drops down to 10, there is no way this is playable. Like, you're literally clipping through the floor. Like, look at this. There's usually an invisible barrier here. Not anymore, though. Oh, and look at the levels. I'm going to cook my save slot if I touch this. So I'm not going to do that. I am not going to do that. And that little timer thingy, I have to fix that. Let's go. I have to fix that. I actually don't remember if I did the UI for this in P5, so let me try 6. Why is it the FPS? Okay, I'm redoing the timer UI. Where's the UI thing for it? Oh, and the UI, it has to be in the UI here, so. Oh, where is it? Where is it? The ID is, I'm pretty sure it's like time or something. Oh yeah, timer decibels, there we go. I'm just gonna steal this. Thank you, VS Code, or other me, I guess. UI, UI, UI. I have to do this for like 4 hours a day. Okay, where is it? Confirm FPS, there it is. I just fixed this up. Timer precision. What's the idea of this? Let me try something. 99999. Invalid frame rate request. Is it because I'm gonna refresh it real quick? 999. Why is it the frame rate request? Yeah, that's probably the reason. Well, let me try something like 6. This will also say UI.show. What is... Oh yeah, because I probably didn't put the element. I'm gonna put it real quick. Just gonna do some testing. 4. Huh? Oh yeah, because 4. So 4 should work. -1 definitely shouldn't. Yeah, good. It says invalid frame rate request. Invalid frame rate request. Oh no! Probably shouldn't say that. It's gonna get me clipped, isn't it? Here it is. Decimal settings, error thingy-majiggy. But this will give us, this will give the error. Index.html, so tough. What did I use for this? I used an H4, yeah, so that, I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, probably because I'm changing text every second. T, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Should I make this an Easter egg? That would be cool. Oh, that's not good. Oh, hi YouTube, I'm broke now. I'm so broke now. Let me in my car right off. So probably shouldn't say that on stream because I'm gonna get flagged. Oh, that's a leak, that's a no-no. That's a big no-no. That's a big no-no. I just leaked something. That's a big no-no. That's another big no-no. That's another big no-no. I just leaked the entire game. That's another big no-no. I just leaked the entire game. Let's go. I probably shouldn't have done that. This is the license, by the way. This is in the actual game. So if you look here, there should be a licensing here. I don't know. Did it remove it? Did it remove my licensing? Or did I remove it? That's not good. I should probably update this with a copyright license notice. That would be very smart of me. Because somebody's probably going to steal the game right now. And I'm going to get cooked. I'm going to get destroyed. Why didn't P5 Play goddamn download it? Why? Okay, I'm gonna go leak my USB drive files. Okay, let's see here. I'm calling it the main file. Has the license.txt. I'm an idiot. I'm a complete idiot. I need to go boom. Copy. Documents. It's in here, I think. UFG backups. I don't know why I called it this. Paste. This destination already has a file. Huh? VS Code. Oh, here's the license.txt. But does the browser have it? I swear I didn't see it in here. Where is it? It's in the actual file. Let's see what Netlify thinks. I'm probably logged out, am I? Yeah, I'm logged out. Oh, that's an email leak. That's a big no-no. That's an email leak. Oh my, I'm on a roll today. What's the files? Let me look at the files. What are the files? Yeah, the license TXT is in here somewhere. It's somewhere in here. I just don't know where it is. Welcome to DevTools. Welcome to DevTools. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Welcome to the DevTools. What's the... I was about to swear, but I'm like, no, 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 I can't swear again. Look at this, look at this. I like how it has like a 3D view thing, but it's absolutely useless. I should probably stop leaking source code for a little bit. I'm going to speedrun the game, and let's do this. If this run doesn't get a sub 10 or a sub 15, if this run is in a sub 15, I get one chance. I'm not pressing R again. If this run is in a sub 15, I'm gonna leak something. And if I die, it counts as a loss. This should be a sub 50, yeah, definitely. I'm going to refresh the page. I'm not going to count that. I'm not going to count that. Please tell me that my main save has this. Yeah, the main save is on. Honestly, if you're trying to get a sub 15, it's not difficult. Like, not difficult at all, I mean. Like, it's completely easy. Like, this is an easy sub 15. I'm going to actually try to get a sub 14 on stream, because that would be funny. Or, it would also be kind of cool as well. It would be bragging rights. Yes, I just whispered I'm gonna scream under my mouth. Please, 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 that's the perfect alignment there. No, but it's closer. I'm getting very, very close. The run's coming in soon. I'm getting the run soon. Sub 13 is definitely possible. I just need to figure out how to get this turn right. That's not what I have to do here. I'm probably going to have to do this. I'm going to get up here now. I might literally just place a checkpoint here because I have DevTools. Let me also show something cool here. The game should pause when I'm in a different tab. Yeah, so as you saw there, it paused. This isn't like a default HTML feature. I'm getting called again. What the? I'm getting called again. I'm declining. I'm ending stream in 10 minutes. I'm ending stream in 10 minutes. I'm gonna end stream in 10 minutes. Give me 10 minutes to finish stream. Hey, at least it's my dad, it's not my mom again. I'll take that. I'm going to, oh wait. Yeah, that's a known P5 play thing. What I need to do is when I'm going up here, first up I might have to hit like a frame perfect alignment there. And second up, if I want a sub 13, I have to go boom, immediately, unlike where I wait. I have to do that. And always hold a D or A key. I know exactly where I can improve by just the right time. No, that had to be like a sub 13 pace off. This is literally a frame perfect over here. I don't know what my FPS is. Okay, it's 120. Let me set it to 144. Oh, wait. There's a chance. This is almost. That's very close. I know exactly where to fix it. But I did just beat my friend's record on stream. And the actual world record. I'm the world record holder again now. Let's go. You guys can also hear the clicks. So for anybody who thinks I'm cheating somehow because I'm a dev or something. Oh, this is sub 13. This is sub 14. Dang it. I'm trying not to swear right now because I don't want to get canceled. I don't want to get canceled in my game development stream. This is exactly the place where I can do it. It's that one small section that if I fix it, it's the difference between a 14 or a 13. Oh, 14.16, 14.16. Oh, that was like, oh, this is the run. This is the run. This is the run. If I don't die, this is the that was the run, man. That was the run. I'm gonna do like a console clearing thing once in a while, maybe. Do like a timed loop and clear the console once in a while. This is not a sub 14. It's close though. It's close. This game is so addicting. I literally cannot stop. I physically cannot stop. It's a green light. Damn it. That is like the only way to save time. I have to literally perfectly straight fly at the top because that maybe would save a 1/10 of a second. And that 1/10 of a second right now is the bridge of a sub 13 or a sub 14. What am I saying now? No. And clear the console. Because look at this, the console gets spammed. Or actually, I'm literally just gonna start a time loop. Actually, consoles are clear. Because sometimes this makes it like slower, and I will invalidate a run if I see that it's like way too slow, like the timer's absurdly slow. Oh yeah, the game is immediately going faster. It's usually because the console hogs RAM and memory and stuff, so. Though the timer uses delta time, so it kind of checks from FPS. So if my FPS is low, it'll still be at the same rate. So this boost that makes it quote unquote higher, I still kind of need to have the exact same inputs. Maybe more delayed or something sometimes. Oh, this is the run, this might be the run, this might be the run. Dang it. I'm gonna maybe switch the control real quick. Because I'm in a flow state, I'm in a flow state. I can't believe this game is so addicting. This game is the most addicting thing I've ever played. And made. That rhymed. 14.22, that's second to best. I love how this is the new norm for speedrunning. This level's my norm now. That was so close. Please, please, please. This is the type of things that make me crash out. I'm over here usually at about 4 seconds, so. I'm going to crash out. Oi, 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 oi. Yes, I'm making random sounds now because I'm enraged. Yeah, I might drop sub 13. Sub 13 is like impossible. It's definitely not like human level difficulty though. It's like computers maybe could get it, and AI maybe. This is not a run. Oh, give me the screenshot. I hate you. I got it in the stream though. I got it in the stream. What? Whoa. Ow. Whoa. Just as I said that. Wow. Well, I gotta end the stream though. I gotta go. Wow though, wow. Wow, that was insane. That was the most insane thing ever. I mean, look at the local storage now. Please tell me I'm using the main save. Let's see here. This is the actual time that the game itself recorded here. Now this is the thing. It's right here. Let me open up DevTools a little bit more. So let's see here. This is the actual run here. Now there's absolutely no way to overwrite it. So even if I go in here and I get the trashiest run ever, look at this. I just get an absolutely trash run while on a crazy bad monitor. I don't know why the game is done so everything does. But I just got like a 17-second run. That is a very bad run. I could also go save data. If anything, I'll restore the state. That's the function to save it. And then I go local storage. It's still in there. And the playtime on this save is crazy. Look at that playtime. Look at that playtime. Let me close this. This literally makes it go into no save. And what happens? It will never delete your save. You only have one portal unlocked. And it doesn't save. So if I beat that portal, if I beat this portal, and I exit the game, it'll revert to this exact state where I'm in. Look at this. Is beautiful. As long as nothing clears it or something, this is beautiful. Look at this. This is a beautiful run. Let me see what this is. What's my... Oh, it's save slot. Like that. So I'm using null. And then type of save slot. Oh, so null is an object. The type of return string, yeah. I actually never knew null was an object. So can I go JSON.push null, comma, LOL. No. Wait, JSON.push isn't a function? Oh, it's JSON. Wait, what? Or is it this? I don't remember actually. Don't actually remember, but that is a crazy run. And to prove that it saves, I'm literally gonna refresh my browser, inspect, go into console, local storage, and it'll load it all back up. That was crazy. W-stream. If somebody beats this record, send me the footage. I'm literally gonna write it in the website. I'm gonna make a website for like speedrunning and stuff, and I'm gonna write it in. So for anybody who does that, yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to go. See y'all in the next one. Peace out. You will not.